Hi, my name is Daynise and I live in Nashville, Tennessee. I've been with Google for almost 5 years now on the fiber team. And over the years, I've learned some things about ISPs, or internet service providers, and how to compare product and service. So whether you're getting internet in your home for the very first time, or if you're just thinking about switching providers, I hope this will help you know what to look for. As you begin looking for internet service, there are 3 things that you want to keep in mind. First, does it meet your current and your future needs? Does it fit your budget? And do you know everything you're getting and exactly what you're paying for? Let's begin with fitting your needs. So how many people will be online and how many devices do they have? Keep in mind, one person may have multiple devices. Also, how many household items do you have that would connect to your internet? Things like alarm systems, garage systems, or even smart appliances. Now let's think about your future needs. Is someone going to come live with you in the near future? Is someone in your home thinking about working from home, starting a business, or is someone moving away? Having a list of all of the people and devices that will connect to your network will help you determine the amount of bandwidth that you need. So here's what to look for. Is there a limit to the number of people or devices that can connect to the network at once? And what about upload speeds? Having a slow upload speed means you can't send requests to websites or files to school or work. It also means that you can't be as responsive as you'd like on video conference calls. Now, let's take a look at budget. Of course, the first thing you're going to notice is your monthly cost, but also take a look at those extras. Things like installation or equipment. Is there a promotional cost that will change on a specific date? And are you ready to lock into a contract? Locking into a contract can cause you penalties and cancellation fees. Google Fiber doesn't have contracts, but some other providers do. So make sure you understand those terms before you sign a contract. Lastly, do you know everything you're paying for and exactly what you're getting? Many providers are moving away from bundles where they require you to add things like TV or phone service or other services in order to get a low price. But you want to double check to be sure that you are only paying for exactly what you want and exactly what you need. All of these things can vary greatly across providers, which can make it a little difficult to choose and compare. That's why we do things differently. But with asking a few questions and knowing exactly what you're getting, you can take control of your internet to meet your needs. Hope this has been helpful, and we hope that whomever brings you internet, that you always have a fast, reliable connection.